हे वेलकम बॅक फ्रेंड्स. तर फ्रेंड्स, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 44 इंग्लिश सेंटेन्सेस बघणार आहे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ कॉन्व्हर्सेशन. तर आजचे सेंटेन्सेस सोपे आहेत थोडे, तर माझ्याबरोबर प्रॅक्टिस करा. आणि असे व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला अजून हवे असते तर खाली मला कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये सांगा, येस आय वॉन्ट सच काइंड ऑफ व्हिडिओज. ओके, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम फ्रेंड्स, चला आजच्या व्हिडिओला आपण सुरुवात करूया. हे, इट्स रेनिंग सो हेवीली आउटसाइड. हे, इट्स रेनिंग सो हेवीली आउटसाइड. या, it hasn't stopped since morning. Yeah, it hasn't stopped since morning. I got completely drenched in the train. I got completely drenched in the train. Oh man, didn't you have an umbrella? Oh man, didn't you have an umbrella? I did, but the wind flipped it. I did, but the wind flipped it. Haha, classic Mumbai monsoon scene. Haha, classic Mumbai monsoon scene. What about you? Reached office on time? What about you? Reached office on time? Got a bit late. Traffic was terrible. Got a bit late. Traffic was terrible. Virar to Andheri is an adventure. Virar to Andheri is an adventure. So, train got delayed again. So, train got delayed again. Yeah, everything runs in slow motion in rain. Yeah, everything runs in slow motion in rain. Even my train was 30 minutes late. Even my train was 30 minutes late. Man, reaching office itself is a challenge. Man, reaching office itself is a challenge. Honestly, we need work from home in such days. Honestly, we need work from home in such days. Boss said, rain is no excuse. Boss said, rain is no excuse. He probably comes by car. He probably comes by car. Yeah, he doesn't have to stand in puddles. Yeah, he doesn't have to stand in puddles. Missing that cutting chai, right? Missing that cutting chai, right? Absolutely. Tea tastes heavenly in rain. Absolutely. Tea tastes heavenly in rain. And those hot bhajias hit different. And those hot bhajias hit different. Let's grab a cup of tea. Let's grab a cup of tea. Deal. But we need bhajias too. Deal. But we need bhajias too. Of course, eating in rain is a treat. Of course, eating in rain is a treat. By the way, do you like walking in rain? By the way, do you like walking in rain? Yes, but roads get flooded. Yes, but roads get flooded. I don't like it when water gets into my shoe. I don't like it when water gets into my shoes. It reminds me of college days. It reminds me of college days. Yeah, back then, rain meant only fun. Yeah, back then, rain meant only fun. We used to run for the bus in rain. We used to run for the bus in rain. And everyone used to slip. And everyone used to slip. Haha, I still laugh remembering that. I still laugh remembering that. But now it's office, deadlines, and responsibilities. But now it's office, deadlines, responsibilities. Yeah, growing up means less fun. Yeah, growing up means less fun. Sometimes I wish we could go back. Sometimes I wish we could go back to that college canteen for hot vada pav. To that college canteen for hot vada pav. And those chats, laughter, no worries. And those chats, laughter, no worries. Exactly. It feels like yesterday. Exactly. It feels like yesterday. Yeah. Despite time, memory remains same. Yeah. Despite time, memories remain same. But now We have got to move forward. But now we have got to move forward. True. But rain never really stops us. True. But rain never really stops us. Mumbaikars never stop for anything. Mumbaikars never stop for anything. You said it right. You said it right. Come on now. Let's go before traffic builds up again. Come on now. Let's go before traffic builds up again. Yeah. Or we will miss the train again. Yeah. Or we will miss the train again. All right. See you tomorrow. All right. See you tomorrow. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तर हा होता आजचा व्हिडिओ. आजचे 44 सेंटेन्सेस. मला खाली कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये सांगा तुम्हाला आजचा व्हिडिओ आवडला की नाही. आणि जर असेच व्हिडिओ हवे असतील तर माझ्या युट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बाजूला जो बेल आयकन आहे त्याला पण क्लिक करा. तर जेव्हा पण मी नवीन व्हिडिओ टाकेन तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन भेटेल. ओके, थँक्यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स. टेक केअर. बाय.